That's how our corridor is looking.
It's looking amazing.
Yeah. We're staying at the second floor. I'm not going towards the labasan, but there's a window here, and I'm going to show you where we're going to eat. That is where we're going to eat. Punko Punko sa Fuente. It's people go there eh. It's a destination if you're mahilig sa mga Punko Punko style. Now that is the building where I would stay. We would stay in Cebu, but not today. Oh, more people have arrived. Are they going to Punko Punko? They are, I think so. Fur Canto. Batang Kanto. Fur Canto. Tara, let's go and eat inside. Doon siguro tayo sa dulo. Yan, dito tayo kakain. Yeah. Yun. Dito tayo sa dulo. Yun. Yung mga kakainan natin. Diba? Saan ba tayo? Diyan tayo para Yeah. So, yun. So that's how it's looking. Tara. So they gave us two sets of two. So tag-dalawa tayo, apat na puso. Tapos meron na tayong sausawan. What did you get? Yes. Okay.
Man, come on!
So it's my turn naman to get. Yan lang kinuha mo. My turn to get my food. Dito tayo sa siya.
Magsoon, malagupan. Bugang-bugang na lang ito. De, duha ka stainless na. Akin na po itong...
Parang project naman yung
Eb! Eb! Buha ka siya ay. Ay! Beso! Beso! Why mo ka dito? Bakap ba? Why mo ka dito? Bakap? Kaya ka niya ito sa mo niya. Hindi mo, para pilihan mo niyo.
Baba ko tayo!
Eh, makuha na po sa, ano? Silig ba? Silig ba? Silig. Ano na lang po?
Roy, di pa kaligo. Basta nag-usap mo, inita sa baha.
Ay, bala, sayang. Yang buko ba? Ito yun.
Abo, din na nangingin na yan nila eh. One, two, three, dagat. Tara, umasa, turok-turok, may tao na.
Ako kumuha. Pag yung chicken, magkano?
Kabilang, malaki na ba? 50.
50. Yung crab, magkano?
35.
Okay. Ito, ano to? Parang hindi ako kumuha.
Chicharon bulaklak.
Hindi, kaniba.
Okay. Lumpiang toge.
Magkano yung ganyan?
3.20.
3.20. Okay, thank you. So tapos na ang aming obligatory pungko-pungko. Meron kang ano. Okay, wala na. Okay. Take 2. Tapos na yung aming we're done with our pungko-pungko. Obligatory pungko-pungko. The bill was 251. I'll insert the breakdown because 251. We had 3 chicharong bulaklak.
How much was the bulaklak?
Each. Parang ano, later. We'll just insert the we'll insert the breakdown because I took a shot of it. So, tatlong bulaklak, 30 times 3, 60 is liempo. Ano yung 15 gani? Yung sausage. 36, ano?
Yung puso.
Tatlong puso. Tapos yung
Dalawang Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew, 251.
Yaba ka na yay!
We did not get a lot of food. But we paid 251.
Super.
So it's also expensive, no?